while back I said I was going to make more vlog style videos about my tiny house and certain elements of it, such as like my wood stove, my folding table, and I never did that. Today I decided, why not? Today's the day. I'm gonna actually do one of those videos. And the first one I'm gonna do is showing you my downstairs bed configuration. Now, this took me several years actually to perfect, and I'm still not 100% sure it's perfect, but it is a great option for when I have guests or when I'm renting my tiny house out on Airbnb and people are bringing maybe their kids or someone who doesn't want to climb up into the loft. So I'm just going to jump right in and show you how I do it really quickly and then go into detail after so that if you want, you can replicate the design yourself. In tiny homes, it's a good idea to create custom furniture so that you utilize every inch of space. So this is essentially a super simple DIY futon that anyone could replicate to fit a tiny living room. First, we purchased 2 sturdy square ottomans for added storage, and these will also support the left side of the bed. Then we made a bench that was a ½ inch taller than the ottomans. Next, we created legs that, when in optimal position, form the support for the right side of the bed. A piece of hinged plywood rests on the legs and locks into place. Then I unfold the mattress and we're all done. It's that simple. So that's the quick rundown, but there are some more important details. So the additional legs that are needed are created from 2 pieces of plywood with little slots cut into them. You just slide them together, and there you go. You create a leg just like that. I can't say that this was my idea. I actually got this from Mike from Navigation Nowhere. I did a video on his bus a couple years ago, and he has a similar system for his folding bed. And thanks, Mike, for the idea. For some extra support, we put this little ledge on here so it matches the same height as the ottomans without the ottoman cushions on. So this just adds another area where the bed is supported. Okay, so the next piece of the puzzle is this piece of plywood that has hinges on it that actually just lives underneath the cushion on the couch when it's not in use. I lock the plywood into place with a hook and eye and a peg. This way the plywood won't shimmy loose. I got really lucky because I didn't ever plan on having a downstairs bed, and then when I decided to put one in, I had to find a mattress that would fit or have one custom made. So the mattress is just a futon mattress that I found on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. I chose black and it fit perfectly. I'm really happy with it. I haven't had to replace it, but if I did have to replace it, it wouldn't be a problem. The mattress itself is about 2, maybe 3 inches thick. I think it's actually meant for sleeping on the floor, so it's a little step up from that, I guess. But it makes a really comfy couch because you end up folding it a couple times. And to make it back into a couch, I just reverse the steps. Make sure to subscribe and let me know what else you'd like to see in my tiny house.